everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this cute little basket. It's a foam basket for your teens or older children. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Go ahead and do that now. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can see everything that's going on besides tutorials. Also, you can subscribe to my movie review channel, my vlog channel, as well as my husband's podcast channel. All of that is linked in the description, and let's get into it. So what you're going to need is 2 pieces of one color, or you can all use the same color, and 4 pieces of foam for another color. This is what I'm using. They're kind of thin and I didn't think it was going to work, but that basket is pretty sturdy. I will leave a link below on Amazon where you can get these. I'm obsessed with shopping at Amazon. Now I can finally get stuff next day, so I'm really excited. I'm ordering from Amazon. You can also check out my Amazon shop of other things that are in my office, as well as things that I use most often. So that will also be linked in the description. So how we're going to put this thing together, I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. We're going to set that one aside. This is our bottom base here. We're using some hot glue. So what I did yesterday was kind of measure and see how I wanted it. Sorry, my hands are so shaky. You can obviously attach yours differently, but this is just how I did mine. So let's just get started with it. So we got our 2 main sides up. Now what we need is to measure out on with this foam the sides up. Okay, so we have the main part done. We're going to let this hot glue dry for a little while, and then I'll show you how to make the straps. So now it's time to make the straps. So I didn't do any real measuring. I just kind of cut what I thought looked great. You could cut yours thinner or thicker. It's all up to you. Okay, so what I did now is I took and put some hot glue here. generous amount. And then I just stuck the other side to it. Be careful not to get any hot glue on yourself. And just sit and let it dry. And once it dries, we'll put it on. Okay, so now it's dry. Would you have your two pieces here? It's not coming apart. So you can either glue your straps in or out. I glued mine inside. So you're just going to put another generous amount of glue on the bottom. Put it right inside. Same on this side. So now our box is built. Put a little bit more glue so that stays secure. Now that everything is together, here's our little basket. So I have some grass. We're going to put some grass in it. And this is the same fake grass I get from the Dollar Tree. It's more paper than that plastic. The plastic to me is harder to clean up than the paper ones. So before I put anything in, I want to test out the straps. They seem to be holding up pretty good. Now that we have the grass in, I'm just going to go ahead and stuff it. And again, this is for teens or older children. Have that, and the last thing we're going to put in is some non-lighters. Okay everyone, there you have it. These are our Easter baskets for teens or older kids. This is even cute for, you know, if you're giving them to grandkids or, you know, just a neighbor kid or somebody you know you want to gift a Easter basket. It's very inexpensive. Like I said, I will leave the link below to the foam squares that I got off Amazon. Everything else came from Dollar Tree. This is stuff that I showed you in one of my Dollar Tree hauls, but everything else came from there. The grass, the candy, the glue sticks, they all came from Dollar Tree. These are just some items I have, and it doesn't look like a lot for my teens like it did for the little ones last week. That's because I still do the Easter egg hunt inside. It looks like it's going to be nice next week, so hopefully we can do one outside. Then I fill those eggs that we do the hunt with candy, and also I do a Easter basket, an Easter table where there's more candy. So they're gonna have a ton of candy. It may not look like a lot in the basket, but they will have a lot, and they're older now. I don't think it's necessary to give them stuffed animals at this point. So with all that being said, I hope you like this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Also make sure you like this video. Let's get this video to 10,000 subscribers, so make sure you're sharing it out so we can get there, because I'm doing a giveaway once we get to 10,000 subscribers. Also make sure you're following my vlog channel, my husband's podcast channel, and our movie review channel. And also make sure you're following me on Instagram. Turn your bell post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.